This is Sinyavka, the little but beautiful city in Belarus. This is old road car between Brest and Moscow. We see clear water in Sinyavka. You see river Nasha, it going to Black Sea. You see road coffee. This dinner cost €2.